bumps at this side. These guys didn't realize got the covers and the master the umpire ball was very much removed the day. Who are those guys? Prashant Sriram.